In this video, we're going to show you how to make hundreds or even thousands per month from affiliate marketing in the trading industry. Stay to the end because I'm giving away affiliate businesses where I give you my customers from my own automated machine to build up your business and get you earning your first dollars. I literally hand you money over the internet. But be quick because it is a first in, first served basis and there will be a wait list. I am certain of that. How to create an affiliate income in 2024. So step one, choose a niche or a topic. When you become an affiliate, it's often important to have a specific topic or niche that you talk about to generate interest in a particular audience, and you can really target your content and your information, which will eventually draw traffic to your products. Obviously, it's important to pick something that you have a bit of an idea about. But obviously, thanks to things like AI and the ability to research easily, if you have access to internet, you can basically write about any topic and any niche and develop a bit of an understanding over time. So obviously, if it's something you already know about, it's going to be a lot easier. But for this example, I'm going to use the Forex and crypto trading niche. There's plenty to write about. There's plenty to make videos on. And people pay money for the products I'm about to show you. The reason I'm using these topics is I've replicated this exact process and it's working for me. And there were times in my early career where I thought, maybe it's not actually a thing that happens. You've got to be either very lucky or spend a ton of money to actually get anything to happen. And perhaps it's not real, it's all robot traffic, that kind of thing. I can confirm that it is real, and it's something that I'm going to show you a pretty special thing in the end of this video about how it all sort of works and how you can actually generate money and how I'm going to actually help you achieve an income online. Step one, choose a topic or a niche that you can write about or make videos on and has affiliate programs or content that can relate to a product. People want to, in order to make an income, you need other people, not just yourself, to be interested in it and effectively pay money for products that you promote. Step two, build content and get traffic. Using a combination of social media platforms and website, you can build content to draw in traffic. Building content on a website does take time to get the free flow coming from the SEO, the search engines like Google. So it does take a little bit of time to do this. Now, in my offer later, I'm going to speed things up a lot quicker for you guys. But the first step is basically to generate ideas on keywords for your niche. Basically, all that means is think of a topic that somebody might search for in your niche and a topic that might be helpful to them. And then from reading the content that you write based around those keywords or the long key phrase, such as a question, they can then go and take interest in that product that you're promoting and go and make a purchase potentially. Once you've got a keyword or an idea to write about, you write and then post it. So whether that's on social media or your website, wherever it is, the next thing you can do is create YouTube videos or videos in general and post them across your social media network and your website, and basically link it up to your machine that improves the SEO throughout all of your resources, so your website, your social media platform, that sort of thing. And then basically you'll start gaining customers if the content's good enough and people like the product. So you may be scared of being in videos, but you don't have to be. Obviously building a brand around yourself, people love people, and is obviously going to generate you a bit more interest, but you don't necessarily have to be in the videos. You can use video editors and a range of different content and information where people don't have to see your face, or, if you're scared of being in the videos or whatever it is. There's a lot of editing that can be done. If you're not confident with talking, you can always edit your voice slightly and that kind of thing so that you're happy with it. Because a lot of us don't like the sound of our own voice or the way we look on camera, that kind of thing. So it can be a bit daunting. Take the pressure off if you like and just don't be in it. And you can obviously alter your voice and that kind of thing as well if you're not comfortable talking. And it is a practice, it's a thing that you practice and get better at over time. So just start. It doesn't have to be great. And in fact, over several years, you'll look back on this day when you get started and be like, oh my God, I've grown so much and my content is something that people really enjoy viewing. And that will take time, understanding how things work, how it all gets put together, and then what people actually respond to and like as well. So you might like something, but through creating content that is different, you'll see what people respond to better, and you'll be able to adapt. Just like AI does, you'll be able to adapt to the teachings of what other people are, liking and commenting on, and you'll be able to adapt to that content that you're making and get better. Basically, building a web of traffic, a web of content that will draw in traffic and eventually customers. But now we've got to talk about how do they actually buy something. So you've got the content there, you might be talking about how good a trading tool is and how it shows you certain information that can kind of guide you on your trading journey. How do they actually get access? So number 3 is incorporate your affiliate links. Basically, an affiliate link, for those who don't know, it's basically just a web link that recognizes it's you referring whoever's clicking your link, and then it goes to the product, and then if they buy the product, basically it links that payment to you and says, hey, look, you've made a sale from a customer that's clicked in your content, has clicked one of your links and made a purchase. If someone likes your content or needs the product that you're talking about and they've happened to stumble on your content, they might go through and buy whatever it is through your affiliate link by clicking it. So when a lead clicks your link and buys, it attributes their purchase to you so that you get paid generally a percentage or whatever the fee might be. Basically, draw people to your content, get them excited, and then they buy, and then you make money. Now, the great thing about affiliate programs, or a lot of them, they'll either make automatic payments or it'll be a bit of a process in terms of you go to a portal and request a withdrawal. But often when you're dealing from a business perspective, when you're dealing with real businesses, particularly smaller ones, and they don't have a proper portal or a proper program, it can be a bit of a challenge to get payment. They've got to tell you the number, you've got to then send an invoice with that number, and then they eventually pay it. And they don't always send you the information that you need, or they can be a bit cheeky about you bring them in sales and then they don't pay. So with affiliate programs, choosing the right one is obviously very important, but generally an affiliate program is somewhat automated in a sense that if the links are getting recognized, that they are attributed to you, and often you want to see a portal where it does show you where people are clicking, what link it is, how many people are clicking, and what the conversion rates are. That's a very important part so that you can feel confident in knowing that the affiliate link is working. Basically, you start to build a content platform. You've got different things such as social media, videos, website, all working together in a bit of a business machine, and it's all working through the SEO and the organic traffic, and obviously you can book paid ads against it to grow. Now you've got that content, people are coming in, they start clicking your links and then start buying if your content's good enough. Now, step 4, grow and evolve. So from here, you can grow and evolve as a marketer and generate more income as your content improves and draws in more traffic. Global finance trading has been around for a few years at the time of this video. It took a while to learn the ropes. I was mostly self-taught. Took a few courses here and there and a couple of things like Udemy, that kind of thing, and learnt the ropes, learnt how people respond and react to the things that I create, the different wording, the different content topics that people enjoy. And now it's generating sales across multiple affiliate programs. One thing I will mention is just because you think a program or a product is really good, it doesn't necessarily mean that other people will as well. Or if you think it's the best and you only want to provide the best, you're going to really limit yourself in a sense that you might think something's the best. You can always say that, but it is important to be somewhat objective and unbiased and provide multiple options to people, describe the information and the differences between them, because then it comes off that you're not being biased. You are saying that you do have a preference based on X, Y, Z. And then other people's situation or preferences or desires can often be very different. One thing that I always found was I found it a challenge that promoting certain products, I only wanted to provide, offer the best of the best. Now, unfortunately, some people don't like the same products that I like. So what I found actually really works well is presenting multiple options, describing them and comparing them. And it's funny because some of the best products that I personally like have the fewest sales and the fewest interest. However, the other products that are good, but they're not necessarily my favorite, generate more of the income. So you've got to remember, just because you like it, it doesn't mean everyone else does. And you don't have to only present what you personally like, because it's not necessarily all about you. It's about your customer and what they like. So remember, other people's shoes, offering what they want, not necessarily what you want, because you'll be really limiting yourself as a marketer and as a business. So just like a spider, the more web you build, the better quality farmland you have, the more sales you'll make. So building out your web of content and your farmland across different platforms, it will generate more traffic, and then that traffic will become a lead. So somebody that perhaps clicks your link or interacts with you, and then hopefully comes across and makes a purchase through your links and your content. So it's a 4-step process. Step 1 is to choose a niche or topic. Step 2, build content and get traffic, so building out your web. 3, incorporate your affiliate links. So obviously you need affiliate programs to work with, and we're about to dive into that shortly. But basically, in your content that's based in a particular niche, you're going to have affiliate links that people can click if they like what you've presented. And finally, you're just basically going to repeat step 2 and 3, building out your content with the affiliate links in it and increasing that traffic, creating value for others. Let's get into it. So I did promise something at the start of the video, and here it comes. This is an offer that it's not something that I ever see people do. And basically what it is as an affiliate accepted into this offer, you're going to be handed leads and paying customers to quick start your motivation and your bank account. Plus, you're going to be shown how to build your business and lead flow from scratch. It's always very daunting. You don't know if you're doing the right things. It takes a little bit of time, which is why I give that first part where I literally give you the customers. I've never seen anybody do this. If I was presented with an offer like that, I would 100% be involved. And then obviously I'm going to show you how to build your business and leads from scratch. I've already got the customers coming in. I share them with you, and you build your content based on what has already been working for me. I'm not just giving it away. You do have to make an effort, decide that you want to go ahead for starters, build your content, put in the work. But while you're going to do that, I'm going to literally send you customers. I show you the proof. I give you the paying customers. You'll receive that money, and then I give you the strategy to grow. So you're going to see the proof. You're going to feel it. You're going to understand how it all works before you put in that intense groundwork that comes with being an affiliate on a professional level, where you're making hundreds, thousands each month. Register using the link below to get started today and start earning your online income. This is something that will have a wait list. After the first few come on board, I'm going to basically get people up and running initially, and then I'm going to provide the information and then framework and templates so that you can actually get started. That will take a little bit of time to get them up and running to the degree that I think is incredible and amazing. And then I'll go on to the next person. So it is a first in, first served basis, and there will be a wait list on this, I'm sure. So register as soon as you think this is for you, because there will be a wait list, and it may not start straight away unless you're sort of the first couple of people on board. Now, if you're still not convinced, I'm going to take a deeper dive into what we actually do to make this happen for you. I don't believe in empty promises. It's actually the most off-putting thing that I find in other people is they say something and they can't even deliver it, and they don't even do it for themselves, or they're just too lazy, whatever it is. What I do believe in, though, is inspiring others. And what better way to do that than help them create an actual income in the early stages of your business? It's not an empty promise. I already have the customers flowing, and basically what I do is change my affiliate links to your affiliate links so that you start getting paid and you can build your business faster while you grow your web of traffic, your web of content, and building up your farmland that will eventually hopefully be evergreen content that keeps customers coming through. I help you create your own finance and trading niche website and content. This is specifically for the finance and trading niche. I provide you with a framework and template on creating content that attracts traffic and improves your SEO. I show you Facebook ads that work and how you can replicate the exact methods in your business. Now, something to be clear here, I'm not an agency, or I'm not a web guru or an ads guru or a content guru. I'm somebody that's just done it for themselves. It has taken me a few years to get to this point where I'm pretty happy with where it's at. And I think I can help others and inspire them to grow and do the same. So if you think you've got what it takes, you want some real help, I'm not actually going to even charge you for this. It's not a cost thing. It is something that you will have to put the effort in. So you're going to pay not in money or monetary terms, but you're going to pay in effort. So you're going to have to create the content yourself. I'm not going to do it for you, but I'm going to show you how it all works and give you customers. So it's kind of a reverse offer where I give you money and you do work, which in turn, because you're an affiliate under my link, it will help me over the long term. But initially it's going to fast track you and prove to you that it works. It is a real thing that you can do something online. People will read it, click the link, pay money to the affiliate program that you're with, and you'll get a cut of that. And then you can go and spend it. You can go and buy groceries, pay rent, go on a holiday, whatever it is that you want to do. I'm going to actually take you through that entire process and hand you a business. A lot of agencies and that kind of thing, they kind of half do things. They often don't get results or clicks or whatever it is. I'm taking you all the way through to the customer. You're going to get leads. You're going to get customers. I'm already getting them. Basically, all I do is change them across. So it's not necessarily guaranteed, because obviously that could drop off for me at some point. But at this stage, things are coming through, and all I do is change them across to you. Register using the link below. Get started. Get in the wait list, and we're going to start working together. We're going to start building you an income and training you on how you can do it. And you can replicate this across other niches, other topics, and other affiliate programs as well. Jump on, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. It's a very simple process. It's basically build content, get traffic, have an affiliate program that you work with, and you just use those links. And then over time, if your content's good enough, it'll grow. It's a very simple process. It does take time, and that's why the offer is in place, to give you that confidence and make you realize it is a real thing. Because for many of us, we give up before it even gets big enough to start drawing in leads and particularly customers. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a great day, and looking forward to working with you soon.